Restoring hair damaged by the sun. As the gentle rays of the sun caress our skin, they also silently sow unforeseen impacts on our precious hair. The damage caused by the sun to hair doesn't just stop at drying and stiffening, it leads to a host of other complex issues such as color loss, breakage, and even a degradation of the hair's protein structure, making recovery more urgent than ever. Aware of these impacts, top hairstylists have shared their golden secrets on protecting and restoring hair from the ravages of sun exposure. The sun's embrace might grace us with a radiant glow, but our hair tells a different tale after endless summer days lounging by the pool, basking on beaches, or enjoying the simple pleasure of a backyard soiree. Despite the allure of a sun-kissed sheen, a closer inspection often reveals the harsh reality of sun exposure: dry, brittle, and lifeless locks craving rejuvenation. Thankfully, hope is not lost. We've consulted with the masters of mane care to guide you through reversing the sun's toll on your tresses, ensuring your hair's luster and strength are restored. A trim to triumph. Initiating your hair's recovery with a trim is crucial, especially when the warmer months accelerate hair growth. Sun-damaged hair, characterized by dryness and a straw-like texture, benefits immensely from a strategic snip. Fear not the loss of length, even a minimal trim can significantly enhance your hair's health and appearance. Embark on a post-trim journey with a curated selection of products designed for sun-damaged hair, incorporating hydrating shampoos, conditioners, and styling aids into your routine. Quench your hair's thirst with moisturizing shampoos and conditioners enriched with natural oils such as coconut, jojoba, and argan. Opt for formulas free from sulfates and parabens to preserve your hair's natural oils and infuse it with nourishing, hydrating ingredients. Combat the dulling effects of sun, salt, and chlorine with an Insalon hair gloss. This semi-permanent solution revitalizes your hair's shine, softness, and overall health, without committing to a full color overhaul. Indulge your hair in a luxurious mask treatment. Opt for products packed with protective oils, butters, and extracts to deeply nourish and restore vitality to sun-damaged and frizzy hair. Minimize further damage by taking a hiatus from heat styling. Explore the beauty of no-heat hairstyles, such as braids enriched with leave-in conditioner, for effortlessly chic waves come morning. Upgrade your sleep with a silk pillowcase. Unlike cotton, silk preserves your hair's moisture, reduces tangles, and prolongs the life of your hairstyles. Don't overlook the foundation of hair health, your scalp. A balanced scalp contributes to the overall well-being of your hair. Regular exfoliation and hydration can alleviate itchiness and promote a healthy hair growth environment. Regular scalp massages enhance circulation and hair vitality. Incorporate nourishing oils into weekly massages for an extra boost. Lastly, consider bolstering your hair's health from within with dietary supplements designed to nurture thick, glossy, and resilient strands. Empower your hair to rebound from sun damage with these expert tips, and watch as your locks regain their natural vigor and shine.